Hi everyone, my name is Anmol and currently I am working as a data analyst at Addend Analytics. Today in this video, we will see how you can track and optimize your project progress using this Microsoft Planner Task Management Report. So we at Addend Analytics have created a dynamic Microsoft Planner Power BI report which will help you to connect your Microsoft Planner data with this app, and then you can visualize your project progress. So we will start with the key feature of this report. So as you can see here, the first key feature is it provides you the simplified project tracking. So now you don't have to navigate to Microsoft Planner and see each task, their status, their subtask. You can just open this pre-built report and visualize your planner data, which will help you to save your valuable time and efforts. This report also contains interactive visuals which will help you to easily monitor your daily progress and make data-driven decisions to keep your project on tracks. This Power BI report also provides seamless collaboration, so you can also share this app across your organization and collaborate with other team members. And this Power BI report has detailed reporting. It consists of a home page, then an overview page, and metrics breakdown, overdue task, and project summary. We will see each one of these pages further in this video. Next, we will move toward prerequisites to access this report. So first, you should have Power BI Pro license to install this app in your Power BI account. Then you should have Microsoft Planner account in which you are managing your project and task. And third, you should have Microsoft Power Automate account. This is required to connect your Microsoft Planner account data to Power BI. So get started today and unlock the full potential of your project management efforts. And to integrate your data into Power BI, you can reach out to us at Addend Analytics, and here at the mentioned email ID, you can mail us. We are here to help you and assist you in creating the flow so that you can connect your Microsoft Planner data into Power BI. So now let's move toward the report. So you just have to click on Get It Now. This will ask you to provide your credential for your Power BI account. Once you enter your credential, it will ask you to install the app. So you just have to click on Install. And it will install the report within few seconds. Now you just have to click on Go to App, or you can simply click on here Microsoft Planner Task Management Report, and the report will be available for you. Here you can see that report is available with sample data. So this is the overview page in which you can see the task overview. All the tasks in your planner account will be available here. You can see the status of the task, the due date, priority level, and all the other details. Then you have the matrix breakdown page in which you can see the task by progress and the bucket volume and progress of task according to the team members. Then the third page is for your tracking overdue tasks. So again, you can find various metrics which will show you the details about overdue task, and at last you can see the project summary. It will provide you summary of all the projects available in your Microsoft Planner account. So this report is currently available with sample data. If you want to connect your data in this report, you just have to click on this Connect Your Data option, and here you will have to enter the link for your Microsoft Planner account data. To generate this link, you have to reach out to us at Addend Analytics, and we will assist you to generate this link. So this is all about the task management report for Microsoft Planner, and in case of any help, you can feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.